How to add a daily forecast weather widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top left corner. Then from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Next, in the Search Widgets list, we scroll down and tap on Weather. Next, swipe to the left to switch to a different widget type. In here, you want to select Daily Forecast. So go down and tap on Add Widget. Here, we have added the Daily Forecast widget to the home screen. Next, you want to tap on the widget so that you can change the location. Then tap on My Location. From here, you can choose a default location from the list, or you can search for a custom city name. So let's say I want to get some information about Paris. So tap on Paris, France to add it to your location. Then tap outside the box to close that. Then tap on Done. And that's it. That is how you can add the daily forecast weather widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.